Welcome everyone to the JCF Fusion platform, wherein we have decided, we have committed that every month we come out with one or two sessions, knowledge-oriented sessions in terms of technical knowledge, soft skills knowledge, in terms of making sure that we help each other, network each other with each other to the best. So this is the platform wherein we are connecting with all the JCF members. We always have this ritual, and that is we start the session with a Navkar. So I will start with the Navkar for now and requesting everyone to follow the same. नमो रहंतानम, नमो सिद्धानम, नमो आयर्यानम, नमो वज्जायानम, नमो लोये सव्व साहुनम. ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सव्व पावपनासनो मंगलानंच सर्वे सिंह पद्मम हवे. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining in. And yes, kind request to everyone. You've already seen a trailer out over here wherein Aishwarya, she has started with a brilliant icebreaker. So let's keep the speaker disengaging only by switching on our cameras, so that as a speaker she should not feel that she's talking to walls. So if possible, please switch on your cameras and stay interactive throughout the session. It takes good privilege for me to introduce the speaker today. We've got CA Aishwarya Mutha. She is from Pune and she is definitely a chartered accountant, a dynamic chartered accountant with very strong expertise in taxation, compliance, and advisory services. She has also played key role in establishing and managing the compliance department at Janta Sehkari Bank Limited and ensuring adherence to RBI and statutory guidelines. She has completed her AI level 1 with ICI. She is a qualified chartered accountant with brilliant performance in academics. She started with her articleship journey with Subhash M. Hirani Subhash M. Hiran at Pune. Experience in GST, income tax, and RBI compliances. Then she has been playing a key role in setting up managing compliances department. Conducted sessions at National Convention for CA students. She has been invited as keynote speaker at various institutes, Vivekananda Institute of Excellence, Hyderabad. And the best part is her personal strength. She strongly believes you are the creator of your destiny. Excellent communication, public speaking, and mentoring ability, which we all already have got one teaser and waiting for the entire movie to happen. And I'm sure that people are going to ask for once more after the session. And she is just not into CA and the technical things over here, but she's also skilled in poetry, drama, and stage performances. So I think, Aishwarya, we are looking out for something very interesting event happening at JCF Fusion. So we'll look forward for these skills also. With strong foundation in professional expertise, a passion for mentoring, and forward-looking approach towards technology, she aspires to contribute meaningfully as a faculty member. Her vision is to guide aspiring chartered accountants towards excellence by creating technical knowledge with AI, practical insights, and growth-oriented mindset. I think it was a good brief for all the audience to understand what our speaker is all about. I will not simply hand over the platform and the entire audience to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, thank you so much for initiating this one more session on AI. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that warm introduction. And definitely, I am a believer of a holistic growth. So, of course, why am I so fascinated about AI? The reason is वक्त ना रुके कभी तो मैं रुक जाऊं कैसे ख्वाहिशें हजारों है उन्हें दबाऊं कैसे. So I want to satisfy so many things, and then comes AI to my rescue where I can do multiple things. So I'll just quickly share my screen. Okay, so this is AI for everyone. Start your intelligent journey. Let me just convey you first my intentions behind this session. It is very simple. You may be from industry, you may be a chartered accountant, you may be into practice, you may be a student, a businessman, or any person. This AI is for everyone. So today I'm going to share with you certain tools which I personally feel you should make notes of, because we are going to see a lot of tools, and personally select one tool. Just select one particular tool that you are actually going to use and make your work easy, because being efficient is equally important. So let me tell you that, while you are using AI, this is not new, because we've been using AI even before. So be it Netflix or YouTube, where you get the recommendation for next watch, Google Maps, which predicts your fastest route, your inbox, it actually filters all the spam before you even see it, or voice assistants. We've already seen that AI is a part of our daily life. But what's new, in the earlier generation when computers came in, what was the difference is we used to, just write something and the computer used to give us the output. Today, what is different in this age of artificial intelligence is we are telling AI what we need, and the entire process is being done by artificial intelligence. So this is where the so this is where the entire process has changed, okay? And so this is where the entire process has changed. So artificial intelligence is not new, but let me tell you, when you have the correct tools, it is easy to work, right? So we are going to see a few tools. Let me just give you a glimpse of what tools we are going to see. So this is what we are going to see today. I'm also going to explain you a few things. Don't get overwhelmed. We are going to do it slow. So this is the tool list that we're going to check. It can be Claude, Notebook LM, Servum, ChatGPT, Google Studio, n number of things. But let me just quickly take you through each one and tell you what is the significance behind each tool. So the most important thing that you have to remember is every tool has a particular specification. It has a particular niche. Okay. So sometimes we say that I am excellent into GST. So that's my domain. So every tool has its domain. Okay. Let me quickly show you Claude. Okay. So let me tell you what is the ideology behind this. So this is my Claude screen. Okay. What I do is I simply write Claude. I enter. To enter into this Claude, you will require a mail ID, some few things that you have to remember by hook or by crook. Always create a new email id, which can be just an email id you are using for AI, because data privacy is important and security of our data is equally important. Number two, always make the necessary settings. And number three, it is important that the output that you will get will always depend on the input that you give. Okay. So when I say aa jao, do you all understand anything? We can have answers in the chat. Yeah, when I say aa jao, is my sentence complete or incomplete?
से आ जाओ.
Just aa jao. It's incomplete, right? When I say कल आ जाओ, still incomplete. कल 11 बजे आ जाओ, still incomplete. कल शाम में या कल सुबह 11 बजे आ जाओ, still incomplete. कल सुबह 11 बजे मेरे ऑफिस में आ जाओ, still incomplete. कल सुबह 11 बजे मेरे ऑफिस में अपनी किताबें लेकर आओ. Understanding how we are building onto it. So every sentence, when I give more details, it is actually going to give me better input, right? So whenever I am trying to explain anything, any kind of output that I want from any tools for that matter, I am going to give it correct input. So we've all used ChatGPT, right? We've all used different tools, but the underlining point for any AI tool that you use is you have to give complete details to get a better output. All right. Now let us understand that these tools should not be used like Google, right? What do we do with Google? We only search. So you are typing that, hi, tell me how to complete my assignments. It will give you an answer, okay? But such kind of answers are not expected. We are using artificial intelligence to create something. Now, what is the beauty of this is earlier we required coders, but right now these tools are going to be our coders and developers. Okay, So we are going to use these tools to create more tools, to create uh, things that will give us output. So for example, I am taking an example of GST. Okay. Now many organizations have this work of just putting the data in this format. Okay, where we have only single column for output CGST and output SGST. Now, what the issue is, whenever we have to fill our GST returns, we need the split for this into 5%, 18%. Okay, all this split is required. Now, of course, you can do this manually, but when we are using artificial intelligence, we can develop certain tools which we can use on a daily basis. So, what I can simply say is, I can give this Excel sheet to Claude. Okay, I can attach that sheet here and I can tell Claude, so I can just give this sheet here and I can tell Claude that I can type, but to save even more time, I can just speak. Okay. And I can just say that, please give me a breakup of this data. Okay. So when I say, please give me a breakup of this data, I hope you understand this is incomplete. This is like just saying, aa jao. But I want breakup in which format, right? I want it as 5%, 18%. I want it in columnar formats, right? So I've not given the complete instructions. Therefore, the output that I'm going to receive is also going to be incomplete. Secondly, do you see this source data? When I'm putting it on Claude, I'm actually going online. So data privacy, data security, this becomes a concern. So basically, what I want Claude is it gives me something that I can actually generate and keep it on my desktop itself. So that is called an HTML tool basically. So what I can simply tell Claude is I want an HTML tool which will take input as my Excel file and it will give me a split between 5%, 18% respectively. Please check the calculations correctly. I do not want any mistake. If you do not have the correct answer, please flag those. Give me the tool that I can use on my desktop. All right, now let me tell you what I've done. I have basically asked it to give me the tool itself. Okay. Now, this tool, when it gives me, I am going to use that to upload my sheet. Now, when I'm going to hit this button, it is going to start functioning, but I already have the output. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is what it is going to generate. Okay. Simple. I have just asked it clearly, give me an HTML tool. Do you see this HTML? What does this mean? This will stay on my desktop itself. So whenever I want anything, it is going to stay here. So my data does not go out. Now upload the sales register, right? So it gives me option to upload the Excel sheet. Now I can simply upload the source data. Okay. And I will ask it to process my file. Now you see the beauty of this. I have created a tool without a developer. Now, I hope you understand that we can use multiple tools. Please understand today's point is that we need to have, I will give you a flavor of everything. Okay. It personally depends on how you use it. So maybe you can just create a tool saying that I want to import my bank statement into this, right? And whenever I put my bank statement, it should give me a breakup of the following transactions, right? So you can create multiple tools. Now, when you see this processing file, we have the reconciliation snapshot, how many invoices it has processed, what is the taxable value, the split it has given. It has given me the rate summary, right? It has also given me the rate summary split wise. Now the question is, now the question is that I have this data, but how can I use it, right? I will have to generate an Excel sheet again. So I have already added a feature of download Excel. So what would I personally do? Once I shoot, once I hit this button, it will start processing. It takes time, so we're not going to do the processing time part, but it will start processing. Now, simple. If suppose you have an article assistant and you say that keep this file, so where will the article keep the file? Anywhere probably. Then you give a bit specification that keep the file in the second drawer. But you've still not mentioned whether the drawer is on the left or right. So the more specific you give, the more improvised it is going to happen. Right here also, once it develops the tool, you say, no, no, this is missing in this. So for example, you realize that there is no option to download the Excel. So this does not become as useful as you thought. What you are simply going to do is give it a revised prompt. Okay. In the revised prompt, you will simply say, please add the option to download the Excel so that I can use this file. All right. Now, what exactly happens is it does not disturb the earlier version. It keeps improvising, right? So when you are using artificial intelligence, one very important thing to remember is you have to have patience. You will have to keep talking to the artificial intelligence so that it understands what exactly you want. The more precise, the more specific you are, it is going to give you improvised data. So I now let's check how this downloaded Excel version looks. Okay, so when I download this file, this is also my data. So this is basically the source data. This is the breakup. It has just given me the entire breakup, right? Do you see here? 5% taxable value, 2.5%, 2.5%, 18%, 9%. Okay, it has also given me the rate type, right? It has given me a quick summary. Now, had I done this manually, it would have consumed a lot of time. Now, what do is, do you just purely take this data? Never. Okay. What you always do is, you always cross verify this data. So you are going to check this with your Tally version and make the, cross check whether the data it has given to you is correct or not. Assuming you feel it is incorrect data or it has not processed something, what you are simply going to do is, you are simply going to get back to Claude and say, I have found these errors. You are required to verify it and provide me only once the correct data is provided. Do not give me incorrect data. So you will have to train the model. So it is important that when I say you are supposed to use a specific tool, you have to train that model. It is much like training an article or a staff. Okay. But the only thing is, it is not going to back answer you. It is going to follow your instructions. But there are going to be times when when you say it is hallucinating. Why? Because you are giving confusing remarks. All right, so it is important that you have clarity in the mind. Secondly, you give it complete instructions. Now, let me just show you quickly, like we've made for this breakup tool, you can make multiple tools as well, simply saying that give me an HTML format. Now, let us see. So, this is basically a bank statement, a dummy bank statement. So, what we did is we've created another tool. We've given this bank statement saying that just give me a summary. Okay. Now you see it has just given me a complete summary. Now certain data has been just replaced for confidentiality purpose, but it has given me total savings, the account number, what is the breakup, what kind of amount is received in salary, what is the rental income, all the tabs basically. Right. So you see this is how, what is the interest and dividend, what is the expenditure, expenses and investment. All right. So the idea that I want to give you is that you will have to create certain tools which you feel are applicable to you. Not always that you are going to get the same tools, okay, the same tools that I have created, but you can definitely check out for tools that are required at your end. Okay. Okay. What I would actually suggest is, considering that we have limited time, I will just take you through the tools and give you the highlights of what you can do. So, right,
Yeah.
in this case, you can just simply make down notes that saying Claude, it is excellent with Excel. So you need any work to be done in Excel, you can give it to Claude so that it can, make the proper presentation. It can give you the proper format and it can give you tools like these. It is very, very efficient. All right. Okay. Now, assuming that we all know what is ChatGPT, I am going to switch to a little advanced versions so that you get an idea that artificial intelligence or ChatGPT is not just something we can use as Google. It actually creates a lot of things. Now let me show you one very beautiful example. Okay, we are going to use Servam AI. Okay, so how do you go to Servam AI? Basically, you go to the screen Google, you type Servam AI and you enter. For any tool, the same process has to be followed. Okay, you go to Servam AI, and you will have to log into every. So here you log in with your credentials. Now I already have this process logged in. Okay. Now you're going to see this beauty. This is Servam AI. You can just note it down. Now this can be used for multiple things. Okay. It has work agents where there are skills, connectors, voice agents. Okay. Now we're going to check with voice agents today. What I would like you to do is that once you get back home, just dig into these tools so that you can find out, even 5 minutes you invest and you will find that there are a lot of things that can actually be helpful to you. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one thing that we're going to do today is, so we are going to build an agent. All right. Now, how many times do we have to answer the questions of customers, saying, sir, today's a due date, or this is the date for, income tax, you have to file TDS, you have to file advance tax, right? But what if we actually had an agent who could just, talk to these customers and just tell them whatever is applicable to them, right? Interesting.
Very
So,
true.
yeah. So just quickly, I'm going to show you one voice assistant. Very interesting thing, right? Okay, so it asks me, what should my agent do? Okay, so I have just taken up a case where I want to communicate the monthly compliance dates. All right, so I say that I want my agent should communicate the monthly compliance dates. All right. Now, when I say that I wanted to, comply with these dates, is it expected that I give him certain details? For example, if I have a receptionist, I'm going to train her, right? Whenever a customer comes, give these details, these details about the products, tell them about the availability, XYZ. I'm going to train her in advance. Similarly, what I need to do is I need to train these models. Okay, so when say that I want a conversation agent, first need to give him some data. What is he going to talk about, right? What is the artificial intelligence tool going to talk about? So this is how, so greeting. So what I want in my greeting is that he says, hi, I am Shobh. I'm calling from ABC Private Limited. How can I help you today? Okay. Okay, now what it says, greetings changed, translations are out of date. So I'm going to regenerate it. Now look at the beauty of these artificial intelligence. It can translate into 11 languages. Now this is so beautiful, male and female version. Okay, so fine. I'm going to save this. All right. Now I need to give certain instructions, correct? So what is my ideology in this? I want that when a particular customer calls asking that if I need to make any compliance, my agent should have all the data with him saying that this is the date for this compliance. Now, I'm going to give this instruction. Big instruction, ना? 2 रातें लगी मुझे लिखने में. Absolutely not. Any idea how I have taken these instructions? Quickly in the chat box.
Aishwarya, we are dating the app too.
No, it's okay. I can still go for the wild guesses. Anyone. It's okay. We are just here to learn.
No, no, definitely.
Any idea how I've just done this in 2 nights, or basically how I've taken this? Anyone? Unless you all answer, I don't know how to, give back.
Okay, so there are
But
various answers which have come in: prompt
okay,
engineering, perplexity, using AI, prompts, trial and error,
just take the chat. Yeah.
AI, ChatGPT, Google.
Okay. I'm unable to see the chats. Just a minute.
I am reading it out for you.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So
So
Google ChatGPT.
prompt engineering, perplexity, using another AI, trial and error.
Okay, perfect. So more or less, you all are very close to the answer. You all already know what AI is. Okay, now let me quickly take you, just divert you for a minute. Okay, I'm just giving you the logic. I hope you take my ideology because every application is different. We cannot just go through every application. Now, ChatGPT and Perplexity, right? We've got two answers. Now, let me just quickly tell you. For example, this is my chat GPT. Okay. Now, do you see chat GPT? It says CA perspective, a car is generally depreciating asset, and okay, it has just given me the data. Now I will also show you the screen for perplexity. Okay. Yeah, is this visible?
Yes.
Okay. Now just see this part. Okay. Just see this point number one and two. Do you see any difference? Do you see this? Pradeep Jha.
Hmm.
Okay.
Right.
Once I click this, do you see there is some kind of website that has opened?
Yes.
Yes. In this, do you see any kind of references?
Yes. No, not over here.
Not over here. So, quick distinction. Okay, if you want to become even more efficient, use the right tool. So, when I say I just want to make a general statement, or I just want general data, maybe something very day to day, which does not have a lot of significance for reference as such, I'm going to use ChatGPT. But when I say that I need reference, I need something source. So, in my case, when I talk about compliance, the date has to be very specific. It cannot be maybe it is 7th or maybe it is 8th, right? It has to be very specific. And when this particular date is given to me, I need to cross check. Is that really the date that they are talking about? Is this the date? I am going to check for the sources. So whenever I need anything which is related to research, which is very, very specific, I am going to go for perplexity, right? It is going to give me the same data, but it is going to give me source. I can verify. So can you see this? I just went to Perplexity and what did I say? There are multiple due dates in a month. For example, TDS, GST, advanced tax, PF. Could you just simply make a small compliance of this entire thing? Make a summary that I can give as instructions. I've already told him. ठीक है मुझे ये instructions देने हैं. This would be my input data based on this my agent will be talking to the customers. So please give me all the applicable due dates in a particular month in India. I'm specifying which country I'm talking about, right? And once I give this, what is going to happen? It has given me all this entire data, right? What do? I simply copy this and I go to Server. This is what my instruction becomes. Monthly compliance calendar. Clear, everyone? Let me just
Right.
quickly read. So what
So
we
there
did is,
so
yeah,
Aisha, there is one question over here, just interrupting, whether ChatGPT gives citation and references.
it will, but you do not have the source. Matlab, it will say that, this is from this citation, but it is not going to give you a link to verify that. But when you talk about Perplexity, it is going to give you that particular link that I've fetched this data from this particular link. So everything is source oriented into Perplexity. So whenever you are doing anything which is, very crucial, you will have to go with Perplexity so that you have the authentic. It is simply like, you've given some work to your article and two articles come. One article says this is my work. Second article says this is my work. This is the website I've checked. This is the magazine I've read. These are the books I've referred. So this becomes more authentic, correct? Because there is source to it. So this is exactly the difference between ChatGPT and Perplexity. You want anything day to day thing, ChatGPT is good. But anything related to study or research, go with Perplexity. Okay,
Great.
so I will just quickly recap what sorry, we are doing for Servam AI. So what I want Servam AI is I want him to be my conversational agent. What is his role? He is going to be a monthly compliance due date. He's going to give the details. Okay. Now the greetings I'm going to tell him that he's to call I am Shubh and I have given him the instructions. Now what are the instructions? 7th is the date for TDS, TCS, 7th is ESI, okay? 10th is GST, TCS. Now all the dates. Now it has given me advanced tax, simple script. Okay, it has just given me everything. All right. Now what do I do is let us quickly have a conversation. Should we test the agent? Everyone in with me? This
Yes,
is
very
very
much.
interesting, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
chalo. Let's test. Should we start the call? Hmm.
नमस्ते, मैं एबीसी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से शुभ बोल रहा हूँ। बताइए मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ।
नमस्ते, मुझे जानना था कि मुझे एडवांस टैक्स का पेमेंट करना जरूरी है क्या?
हाँ जी, देखिए, अगर आपकी बिजनेस या प्रोफेशन से होने वाली इनकम पर टैक्स लायबिलिटी 5,000 रुपये से ज्यादा है तो आपको एडवांस टैक्स देना जरूरी होता है। वैसे क्या आपकी इनकम पर टीडीएस कटता है या फिर आप प्रिजम्पटिव स्कीम का इस्तेमाल करते हैं?
हम टीडीएस डिडक्ट करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो आप टीडीएस डिडक्ट करते हैं। देखिए, टीडीएस डिडक्ट करने वालों के लिए हर महीने की 7 तारीख तक पिछले महीने का टीडीएस या टीसीएस पेमेंट जमा करना जरूरी होता है। वैसे जहां तक एडवांस टैक्स की बात है, तो अगर टीडीएस कटने के बाद भी आपकी टैक्स लायबिलिटी 5,000 रुपये से ज्यादा बचती है तो आपको एडवांस टैक्स देना होगा। क्या आप अपनी इनकम के हिसाब से ये चेक करना चाहेंगे कि आपको कितनी पेमेंट करनी है?
मुझे जानना है आपकी बर्थ डेट क्या है?
अरे, मैं तो एक एआई एजेंट हूँ, तो मेरी कोई बर्थ डेट नहीं होती। वैसे हम आपके टैक्स पेमेंट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, क्या आप उस बारे में कुछ और जानना चाहेंगे?
मुझे जानना था कि पीएफ के पेमेंट्स भी होते हैं क्या?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल होते हैं। अगर आपके पास एम्प्लॉयज हैं तो आपको उनके पीएफ यानी एम्प्लॉय प्रोविडेंट फंड का पेमेंट करना होता है। ये पेमेंट हर महीने की 15 तारीख तक जमा करना जरूरी होता है। क्या आपके पास एम्प्लॉयज हैं जिनके लिए आपको पीएफ मैनेज करना है?
क्या आप मेरे लिए पेमेंट कर सकते हो आपके बैंक अकाउंट से?
नहीं नहीं, मैं आपके लिए पेमेंट नहीं कर सकता। मैं सिर्फ आपको सही जानकारी दे सकता हूँ और रिमाइंड करा सकता हूँ। पेमेंट आपको अपने ही बैंक अकाउंट से करना होगा। क्या मैं आपकी
Possible,
किसी
man.
और चीज में हेल्प करूँ?
ठीक है, थैंक यू। Okay, so this is also the output variable. Now, this is just a glimpse of what we've done, but imagine what we can do if we actually train it in a way that it gives all the details for our organization. Yes, so we train the AI agent where it can actually talk to the customers. Right now,
I
did you
actually
see?
just a quick question over here.
Yeah.
I got to know that this agent can be made. And then how do I share it with my clients or how it should work? I mean,
Yeah, so there are certain settings to be done post that. Okay, this agent has to be published. It's a process basically. After
huh?
that,
Yeah,
you need
yeah.
to process this. You need to make the instructions, the settings
Correct.
things. All right. Yeah, so this is going to take some kind of work at your end, but what the part is, what I would actually focus on. So once you create this database, you have to publish this. Okay, now once you publish this, this is how it is going to start functioning. Okay, now this part is something that you will have to actually explore more, because once the agent done, you do the testing thing and then you start publishing it. This is when you create the link and then this can be shared. Okay, so
Great.
this part becomes a little tricky towards the end. But I think the ideology behind this is, if you could create such agents, and the more you create such agents, the more you dig into this. This is just one part. The more you do into this, you will realize how many tools it can just give you. Right?
Absolutely.
So, right. So this is one of the things you can do, and there are multiple things. Bajaj
नेक्स्ट
Finances itself
पाछो
uses such
रश्मि
data,
जा
you know,
रहा है
where
कि दर्शी को प्लीज बोल के ऐसा मत बोले पूरा बोल रहे हो आप भाई
Just a
yeah.
minute. I'm trying to figure out whose mic is on.
Meanwhile, Aishwarya, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
हम ये जो आपने एक एग्जांपल दिया था, ये एडवांस टैक्स या कोई स्पेसिफिक स्टैट्यूटरी ड्यू डेट के रिलेशन में था।
Mm-hmm.
अभी में जो क्लाइंट्स के कंटिन्यूस फोन आते हैं वो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर आते हैं, तो इतना ट्रेनिंग कैसे करेंगे हम लोग ये
So that is what
चैटबॉट को?
exactly, sir. इसमें ना आपको वो सारा कंटेंट डालना पड़ेगा. So the idea is that अगर आप इसको सारा कंटेंट दोगे, then it is going to remember everything. अगर आप limited content दोगे, it is only going to talk about that. So do you realize that when I asked about birthday, it did not answer me. It said, let's talk on this, because that's the only data it has. So when you want to talk about different things, you will have to give those multiple inputs into that agent itself.
Is it free? I mean,
Yeah,
first
this is
thing.
free.
Acha.
Yeah. So the tools that I'm showing you today, they are all free. Okay, and those can be actually used. Right? Okay, so this was just a demonstration part, just to give you an idea of what can actually happen beyond just, drafting notices and emails. This is one of the part, and I would actually request everyone to log into the Servam AI. There are, multiple features where you can convert text to video. There is voice dubbing. There is text converted to, you can just upload any image and it gives you the data extracted. So multiple times we want to actually extract the data from a document, right? So you can just upload it.
Aishwarya, a question.
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry, I muted it by mistake. सर का क्वेश्चन था. संतोष सर आप हैं? Somebody was asking the question, sorry. I think to manage कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया.
अच्छा, no problem. Once
हेलो,
he's back,
आ गए संतोष सर.
एम आई ऑडिबल?
yes
Yes
sir,
sir,
yes
yes.
sir.
या मैं ऐसे कह रहा था कि डिप फेक क्लिप भी कोई बना सकता है.
Sorry sir.
डिप फेक क्लिप.
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली सर. मतलब जितने इसके यूजेस है ना, उतने ही इसके मिसयूजेस भी है. एब्सोल्युटली इट कैन गिव यू, इट कैन क्रिएट सच काइंड ऑफ डीप फेक्स ऑल्सो. But I think the entire purpose that we must remember is we have to use it only restricted to what actually helps us, and also stay protected. That is the reason at the beginning we said let's create a different email ID, where our sensitive data is not stored. Let us do this with all the precautions. Let us make the necessary settings. Let us switch off the tabs where it says that whether this data should be shared outside or models should be trained. So these settings have to be switched off. So of course precautions need to be taken at our end, but at the same time it is important that we use these tools because it can absolutely enhance the efficiency. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now let me just quickly show you another use. Okay. I hope we all know.
I think Aishwarya, we have limited time. Just
Yeah,
I mean, just to get the right feel, we are going very nice, and I think part two भी हो सकता है इस session का, because
absolutely.
we are there with only limited time.
Yeah.
There are certain tools I think which we frequently have been using. For example,
Mhm.
CAGPT majorly. I mean, majorly people should be aware. ChatGPT use होता है, तो CAGPT is from ICI. But
Correct.
as Sarvam was something which was very new for us. If you
Absolutely.
could, go through those particular things, it would be much more
Sure.
interesting for us.
Yeah. So let me just take you through Comet Assistant. Another very interesting thing. I want the audience to be hooked, because this is something that can save you time. Okay. Absolute time. So let us go to Comet. So this is Comet. Okay, I will take the new screen. Okay. So this is how a comet looks. Okay, this is Comet for Perplexity. Now, what is different in this is, okay, so this is the regular screen. Okay, this is how once we log in, this is the screen that we see, the regular screen. Now, when I say that, every tool has a different essence. In this case, we are going to use this Comet of Perplexity for videos. Okay. Now, there is so much data, so much knowledge and information out there, maybe on YouTube and other resources, but we are going to check for YouTube today. Now what I am going to do is, this is my screen. Okay, do you see this assistant thing? Okay, so this is what I'm going to use right now. So I'm going to click on assistant. By the way, all of this is free. Okay, now what I do is, so I've just taken a quick video. Okay, GDP economics. I'm going to copy this link. You can take any video. Okay, so I am going to copy this link and I go and I just paste this link and I click enter. Let me just maybe take a new screen. Okay, so this is basically the YouTube video. Okay, the YouTube video that I'm playing. Okay, should I just do it again for you? So this is my new screen, correct? Now what do I do is, I take this video which I need information about and I paste it here. Okay, now once I paste it, I click enter and I have to start my assistant mode.
Section 1. What is GDP? The word GDP stands
Okay,
for gross.
now on my left, the video is playing, right? On my right, it is giving me something. It asks me whether it should summarize this video, extract the key takeaways, scroll to the next interesting moment. Maybe I just say summarize this video. Okay, I can just parallelly run this.
Domestic product. Gross means total or overall. Domestic means it happens within a country.
Now you see, it is giving me time-wise. Introduction, point 53, section 1, what is GDP? Okay, 259, section 2, how GDP is measured. Okay, it is giving me with the timings. All right. Now, anything I would like to convert this, anything more I need. Okay. So I say, tell me which is the most important part and where is it? Okay, now it is going to check that entire video for me. It is going to give me a summary. Now it says the most important part is section 2, how GDP is measured, specifically the explanation of nominal GDP versus real GDP, and where it starts, where it ends. Now imagine if you even spend like 15-20 minutes every day just putting in the video here, there's new income tax, there is DPDP Act, things coming up, and you just put it here and you just ask you what is most important, give me the summary, give me the highlights. It is going to save such a significant amount of time. Moreover, it can give you document, it can give it to you into a single PDF, single page. So that is when you can just use it again to as a reference. So what I want to tell you is like we've understood that every tool has its significance. Now in this case we are using Comet. Okay, this is how the Perplexity Comet looks like. This is the desktop version. What I simply do is at Perplexity I just simply put whatever it is, the document, the article, the video, whatever I need. And on my right, I start the assistant. Now, this assistant by itself is going to ask me all the significant questions. I can just follow those. If not, I can simply put my own questions, right? So if you are going through any video or any big document which are, longer, more into pages, you can simply use this tool, which is very effective. Of course, again, free of cost. And look at the content it gives you. I think this is very, very amazing that I have practically used. Okay,
I
so this
think
is
Comet
about
is
Comet.
fantastic agent. I mean, the way it has changed the scenario in AI, wherein you have to ask people, ये करके दो, पूरा करके देकर पूरा order देना, सब कुछ कर सकता है मतलब.
Absolutely, it is just giving you everything. Imagine you just put, an entire playlist saying, give me the summary, give me the tools. I mean, acquiring knowledge in today's world has become very easy. We just need to have the right kind of tools. So, yeah, that's it about Perplexity. I hope you all have enjoyed that. Now, let me just quickly show you something. Okay, can you all just scan this? Okay, can you just scan this?
Hi, I think many people are going to test your height.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I'm receiving a lot of message. The ideology behind this is a pre-typed message. Okay. So I think you will just find, yeah, I'm receiving a lot of message. So this is, hi Aishwarya, we love this, that, etc., etc. Now this is a pre-typed message. Okay. Imagine the amount of time it is saving, right? You only have to scan, your data is ready. You can just, put about your services, about your product, about what your organization does. And this is how you can just circulate it. Very simple to do. Am I a coder? No. But have I generated this? Yes. How? Let me show you. Okay. So one of the tools that I would just recommend every single person to explore is Google AI Studio. Please note it wherever you are. Google AI Studio. Okay. So do you see this? Anyone remembering what is this? If AI were a colleague at your firm, who would it be?
Right.
Yeah. So
question.
this is what I was trying to create with Google AI Studio, but unfortunately, there is also a process called bugging, debugging, and somehow it was not generated till the last stage. So I had to switch to Claude and get that generated. But I need to give you an idea that, what can be created. Look at this. Okay, so this is how the screen would look about the participation. This is the scan to vote. Now this is the audience mobile view, how they would see this quiz, right?
Okay, so you're saying
Okay.
you've used AI Studio. We can use AI Studio to create this quiz, which can be completely online, interacting with everyone with just one
Absolutely.
scan.
Yeah. So this is one click. Okay, what did I say is I want to create a quiz that I can have as a live poll. Okay. Now it has given me everything. However, at the end stage, there was something that was required to be done, but the debugging and bugging thing was taking a lot of time. So finally, I could not convert it. But nevertheless, my purpose was to reach to you. So I switched on to another artificial intelligence tool. But what is important is we know, which tools to be used when. Now, instant visiting card. Okay, can you all just scan this? Once you scan, you will see the name. You will have the option to create a new contact. And once you do it, you will have all the details like these. So name will be Aishwarya, you will have this chartered accountant and AI speaker. Now, assuming I change this number, okay? Let me just change it. It will give you the correct one. Okay. Do you see it is actually changing? Okay, the way I am typing, this is actually changing. So this is demonstrating live. All right, now you scan it and you will have the correct details. Okay, now did I make a separate tool for this?
Not really.
Yeah, not really. So I'll just show you again. So this is where I actually put my original number and I give it my actual email address. Okay, you see the code has been changing. Now when you scan it, you will actually get this code which really has my details. So this is entirely done into one single thing. So I said that I need a live poll. Also give me certain details that I can share with them. I can demonstrate with them. And so this is the tool that it has given me, instant phone, right? Okay, WhatsApp chat, did you all just do that? So this is the pre-typed message. You see this? Hi Aishwarya, loved your AI session, would like to connect on practical implementations. And you can add so much more. You can always have the option to download the QR. Here you download, you store it. Okay. This is three tap, okay, one tap handout. So if I actually put the Google Drive details here, once you scan this, you are going to find the details in the Google Drive. All right. This is the actual feedback form where you will, so somehow this was also not functioning when I checked. But which tool did you like the most? How practical was today's session? One burning question. So when you scan this, you're going to have these questions. What my ideology is for you to communicate is that this is one particular tool that I've used and only one particular prompt that I gave, basically saying that I need a brainstormer, an icebreaker, 5 questions which are interesting. Also give me tools in the form of a QR code which I can share with them, my contact, they can connect to me, they can, access the data, they can give me feedback. And this is the entire demo kit. So I hope this is really fancy, and imagine we chartered accountants doing this without any technical knowledge, absolutely no technical knowledge, only clear communication and clearly saying what do we expect from this tool, right?
I think
So,
the scan code thing is quite useful because I remember when we had this JCA Foundation Day,
right.
17th May, uh, it was definitely a challenge to,
Connect to so
to
many.
get across with people, share visiting cards. This was the easiest and simplest thing which I actually did around 11:30 in the night. Create one scan QR and it was there on the screen. And you really don't have to exchange because पता नहीं कार्ड सेव होगा नहीं होगा,
Absolutely.
कॉन्टैक्ट जरूर सेव हो जाएगा. You just
Very
that
true.
person has to just click it.
And this is so hassle free. You don't have to do anything basically.
Yes.
one QR code and you can reach to multiple people. So
Very
I
true.
did see this idea from you, and I just went on to the advanced version by
No, I
trying
think it was
multiple things.
fantastic way you've taken it forward. I think fantastic because WhatsApp chat and Google Drive link, etc. Because multiple times we have to share same data to 3 or 4 people. One
Right.
scan, and it really helps. I mean, fantastic.
Right. So this is what I want to say. Look at the power of this Google AI Studio. I have not given him any details, not given it any details, how I want the presentation. It is going to just ask you what design it requires, and you give the prompt, it is going to function everything at its end. I hope you understand the importance of communicating and communicating clearly so that you get the correct output, right? And don't forget, bugging, debugging is a process that you will have to keep following all throughout, okay? Now, you all can just quickly take I think a photograph. So this is what I was expecting. Let me just quickly, just maybe 5 to 7 minutes more. I will just quickly take you through. So we've seen Claude. Remember, whenever you need to do any intense work, especially related to Excel, always use Claude because it gives you fantastic data. It gives you very well presented data. And it gives you, very well formatted with accuracy. Okay. Always mention towards the end that always give me accurate data. Do not have any kind of assumptions. The more clear you speak, the more better it is going to answer back. Notebook LM, maybe we'll just see this. This is one of the most beautiful apps, Notebook LM. Servam. Now I have purposely kept this. I want you to see the spelling of Servam. This is not the spelling of Servam, but this is what happens if you do not use. So despite saying that you have to change this spelling, it has not changed. So at times you are going to face such kind of errors, but it is important that you keep talking to it and tell it to change or make the corrections as required to you. Now you see all these, this is what I've asked it to change. So I've purposely kept this slide to tell you that sometimes checking, verifying the changes, that also becomes very important. ChatGPT, like we said, anything that you want, into your day-to-day life, you can go with ChatGPT. Google AI Studio, we've just seen what beautiful QR codes it has generated, and it has given me entire thing as an application, a website, right? Comet, we've just seen video analyzing. We've seen how Perplexity, Comet Perplexity can just read your entire video and give you maybe a summary. It can give you multiple things, depending on what you want. Not just a video, it can be anything, any document, any magazine, any website, it can give you. Gamma, please note this. Many people who have to make presentations have to use Gamma for sure because it is going to give you beautiful PPTs. We'll just go through it. I'll just show you the ready part. Suno, we are just going to end the session with Suno. Napkin AI. So if you are presenting anything to your clients, maybe you want to make it more colorful. What Napkin AI is going to do is it is going to convert all the text into images. Okay, so it is going to make your document look even neat, even better, and even presentable. So just quickly you can go with Napkin AI in case you are uh, presenting any documents. Lovable, again, an app that you must visit. This is an app where you can actually build your website. So without a developer, without a coder, if you want a free website, it definitely has certain credit limitations, but more or less you can use Lovable to create website. It is a very beautiful app. And CAGPT, like we've seen, you can just visit CAGPT and draft notices or similar things. Now I will just quickly show you how Notebook Element Gamma looks like.
Okay, in the meantime, there's a question which is,
Mm-hmm.
can Comet cut the video in smaller time?
It can cut the video. You'll have to check this.
I think cutting the video is not
That's
possible, but
not
summarizing.
possible actually. Yeah.
But yes, it can, if you instruct doing something, then definitely with the right prompt, it can do something in terms of if you want the length of the video, that is my understanding is, if you wanted length of the video only from 0 to 4 minutes and 30 seconds or something, if you can instruct, I think Comet can do that thing.
Or what you can do is basically you can ask it to summarize the video and create
Yes,
another video for a limited period. Maybe it can just do that. So this is what
summarizing,
exactly it is.
definitely yes.
So this is what exactly it is. The creativity lies with us. What the tool can do depends on what we can get it done, right? So use your creativity in a way that it can give you output like these, where you can actually ask the questions and get the work done, right? Okay, so this is how a Notebook LM app looks like. I will just give you a quick insight. This app is personally one that I like the most. The reason being, until now we've seen that the data is being fetched from the internet, but this particular application is the one where you can add source. Okay, so you can add the source from you can just upload the file. I'll just show you the uploaded file as well. The DPDP rules on grid DCR. This is already okay. So this is what so I have already uploaded the file. Now what happens when I upload this? The second stage is this. Okay, it gives me a quick summary, the Digital Personal Data Protection Rules 2025, and it is going to give me a summary. Okay. Now, after this summary, what it gives me is the studio part. This is the most beautiful part of a Notebook LM. It can give me audio, slide deck, video, mind map, reports, flashcard. Okay, it can give me multiple things only from one source that I've made. So, for example, if my organization has a brochure and I want it to be organized into different formats, what I will do is I'll simply put it here. It will give me a summary and I'll ask it to generate anything that I require. For example, digital privacy protocols. Okay, so this is the mind map that it has created. Okay, DPDP rules, what is the structure, what are the safeguards. Okay, so you see, you can also download it, you can store it, you can create an audio, you can create a video. This is a briefing
A
document.
podcast can also be created out
A
of it.
podcast can also be created, absolutely. A quiz can be created, so digital. So this is the image that you can create. So from one particular document, you can create multiple outputs, right? So this is the entire summary of the act on a single page. Imagine if you have kids who are studying, you put in every chapter and it is going to give you an output like this, saying that this is the summary of the entire chapter. So learning has become so much fun, right? And there are multiple options that you can definitely explore here. It is a very, very amazing tool. You all can just note this Notebook LLM app and quickly go through it. This is going to be very helpful to you. All right, so I think we've covered majority of the tools. One very light-hearted tool towards the end. So maybe before I tell you what it is, I'll just play the song. This is audible, right?
No. I think वो share option में you'll have to click. हाँ, yeah, it's now audible.
सीखते रहो रुकना नहीं ये आस हर दिन न बनाओ अपना सफर आसान करो सही Be with the अब आगे बढ़ते जाओ नए टूल्स अपना कर जिंदगी को हल्का बनाओ For everyone starts from intelligent journey करनो सलाम आसान करो Get a new user ID. Always everybody know, but before you get
Now the volume is not there, right? Yeah.
Audible.
Summarizing dashboards banana perplexity से source पकड़ो Google Studio से presentation चमकाओ सुनो तो पर music content सर्वा में ऐसे बोलना पाओ For everyone start your intelligent journey
All right, so this is just on a lighter note, but the message I want to communicate to you is actually, if you see, I've just summarized all the tools, I've asked it to create a song out of that. And what prompt did I say? I just said, prepare maybe a 30, 40 seconds thank you song for my audience who are learning AI from me. I want to give them an inspiring message saying that use the tools and make your life easy. Points to remember is to create a new user ID. Always verify the output before you give it. Use ChatGPT for general things, Claude for long document reading, summarizing, creating dashboard, Perplexity for source. You can use Google AI Studio to design amazing presentations, and Suno.com for such music content, and Servam AI for transcribing or speaking, Gemini for image creation, and please give nice lyrics in Hindi. You can reduce the content as per your need. So I've just given in simple English that this is what I need, and it has given me Naya Safar, where it talks about how you can use AI. This is again in Gemini. So everything that I've shared with you today has been made using one or the other AI tool. So I just asked it here. I say, can you hear me? Please change servo and write building voice assistant. So some part it takes, some part it doesn't. Okay, so you have to keep checking the output again and again. But the only thing is that you can use different tools and it is going to actually create a lot of significance in your life. The only point to conclude, I would say, is you might at times feel that AI is something we've never used before, or maybe this technology is not our part. We are into domain, we are into CA, we are into practice, we are into numbers. But द पॉइंट इज कि लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ताकत भरता है, हीरे को जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है, सोना जब तपता है तब असली चमक भरता है, मिट्टी का बर्तन पकता है तब धुन पर खूब खनकता है, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा जलना होगा, नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा, हर एक संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. So you need to have this mindset where we will keep learning and use all of this into our everyday lives, just limited. We don't have to become developers as such. We don't have to go into the very niche of everything, but learn it to the level that we can use it into our daily lives and make it even more easier. At the outset, I would just like to thank Barkha madam for organizing this. It was really fun connecting with all these amazing participants. Also thanking all the participants for being so active and patient during the entire session.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. It was interesting, insightful, engaging. I think very, very much holding each and every audience out over here. There is a good and great takeaway for each and every person out over here. There were so many questions which were coming on the chat message also, which I tried somewhere replying to the people out over there. If I have left out any question out over there, please, y'all can ask in now. They have requested for certain prompts and the tools, and I have just told them I'll request the speaker if she could share, and I'm sure you will share with everyone out over here the tools and the prompts, etc., what you've created. And
Sure.
definitely, I've promised them that this recording will be sooner shared with them. So there was one of the person who was asked that this recording if we can share it with other people also, तो definitely वो भी करेंगे हम लोग. Fantastic session, Aishwarya. Very much day to day need में जो चाहिए, you covered just not our profession, working moms के लिए how they can help or aid their children in learning. You've given us that. With the last सुनो, I think many chartered accountants are going to get very creative. तो यदि 31st जुलाई अगर में अपना कोई बर्थडे मिस हो रहा है तो सबको मनाने का बहुत अच्छा तरीका भी तुमने बताया.
Absolutely.
Fantastic session, and I will request all the people who are left out over here, जो भी बच्चे हैं, we were around 40 plus people, Aishwarya. Right now we are 26, but I think I'll just want all the participants who are over here, if you can switch on your cameras, we can quickly have one good picture. अरे वन्ना मैम हमारी आ गई, showstopper. Thank you so much, everyone. Please quickly switch on your camera so that we can have one good pic with great audience out over here and fabulous speaker. I'll wait for next 30 seconds for people to switch on the cameras. Arey, Santosh, sir, thank you so much.
Aishwarya is from Pune only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, you are staying in Pune only, no?
Okay,
You are sleeping in
ready for
Mumbai.
the pic?
I see Santosh sir, yeah, my mentor.
Everybody's.
Absolutely.
हेलो बरखा जी, कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया सर, very nice doing, and I think Aishwarya you were commendable. We had fantastic session. Audience अभी तक लास्ट में है तो I mean big shout out for you for having very nice and interesting session with us. So engaging and
सर्टनली।
बढ़िया मजा आ गया. I am sure
बढ़िया।
Aishwarya I look forward for part 2, part 3, part 4 more.
Absolutely. It was you who actually reminded me of the time. Otherwise, once we are into this, this is so interesting because you have multiple things in your mind. And today, this being at your hand, ease, I think this is the best era we are into.
We started the session of AI with Vanna Madam, AI in Tally. We had another session with Hiral Shah, prompt engineering. We had a very interesting session today on AI with general use only. But I think वो general use नहीं रहेगा, बहुत सारा specific use होगा इस चीज का. Thank you so much for all the people attending it. Fem Fusion is a platform wherein we encourage all the female speakers to share their knowledge. Anyone and everyone who's interested, please make sure that you join our platform. You can always connect with any one of us over here, including Vanna ma'am, Aishwarya. She's from Pune chapter. We've got Sangeeta Gandhi ma'am. She's from North Mumbai chapter. So बहुत लोग हैं, and everybody please encourage each other so that we can have insightful and more learning sessions over here. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We'll leave the session now. Thank you so much.